Fuse Wallet app. The pros, the cons. Imagine sending money across the world instantly without banks and without crazy fees. That's the idea behind the Fuse Wallet app, a crypto wallet built to make payments faster, cheaper, and easier. But is it really that simple? Let's go through the pros and cons of using Fuse Wallet. Starting with the pros, Fuse Wallet is powered by the Fuse network, a blockchain designed for everyday payments. Its biggest advantage is speed and affordability. Transactions are confirmed in seconds and cost a fraction of a cent. This makes it ideal for microtransactions, remittances, or small businesses. Another standout feature is how user-friendly it is. The Fuse Wallet looks and feels like a normal payment app, not a complicated crypto tool. You can send funds using simple usernames or contact lists instead of long wallet addresses. That's a big step toward real-world usability. Fuse also supports tokenized communities and local currencies. Businesses and organizations can create their own branded tokens for loyalty programs, local economies, or rewards, all within the app. It's an innovative way to use blockchain beyond just speculation. On the security side, Fuse Wallet is non-custodial, meaning you control your private keys. And because it's built on open-source technology, anyone can verify how it works. Now, for the cons. The biggest limitation is that Fuse is a smaller blockchain network. While it's growing, it doesn't yet have the same ecosystem or liquidity as major players like Ethereum or Polygon. That means fewer dApps and fewer exchange options. Another con is that, while it's great for payments, Fuse Wallet isn't ideal for advanced crypto users. You want fine staking, lending, or complex DeFi tools built in. Finally, the project's success depends on adoption. For now, real-world use is still limited to certain regions and communities. In conclusion, Fuse Wallet is an innovative, fast, and affordable way to send digital payments without the usual crypto complexity. It's perfect for users who want simplicity, low fees, and instant transfers, not speculation. If you believe blockchain should be as easy as sending cash, Fuse Wallet is one of the best apps leading that movement.